Hey guys, this video is about braking. Now, when you ride a bike, how many times have you heard about people falling because of the rear brake? And how many times have you heard about the people falling because they were very hard on their front brake? I think I'm sure you will, more than 50% would be because of the reason that they were heavy on their front brake rather than the rear brake. Rear brake, you can still control the bike if the tail starts to wag. Now, in this video, I have done a small explanation of how you can probably brake gradually and maybe some adjustment that you can make so that your brakes are gradual and you can survive better in case of sudden or panic braking as well. I know nowadays bikes have ABS, but still this technique might help. So check it out. Hey guys, so this video is about a very small but important topic, that is the front brake and the usage of the front brake. Now yes, normally people have a grip here, and it is advised that the front brake has to be braked in gradually so that the front tire does not slip. This is even more important for a bike like mine, which is a cruiser, because in this case the front tire is way ahead, and the chances of it slipping if you brake on a turn are even higher because of the way the front tire is. So it is all the more advisable that we have the braking very gradually and slowly. What I have done to do this is I have shifted my grip to the outer side of the brake. So even though I am braking fast, the actual brake that is happening slower than the speed at which I am braking. Now some may like it, some may not like it, but that's how I do the front braking. What this does is it allows the front brake to be gradual. Now there are two types of brakings in India, that is the racer style and the off-road style. I am more of the off-road style. I'll tell you more about that in later videos. Take care.